Starting a YouTube channel can seem overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your channel up and running. Let's dive into the 5 easy steps. First things first, head over to youtube.com and sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to create. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. You'll be asked to choose between a personal account or a brand account. Go for a brand account if you plan to build a serious presence. Next up, the name. This is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Choose something that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Don't stress too much though, you can change it later, but for now keep it short, clear, and unique. Now it's time to give your channel some personality. Go to the Customize Channel section and add a profile picture and banner image. These visuals are your first impression, so make them count. Don't forget to add a short but catchy channel description. This tells viewers what your channel is all about, and add a video watermark that will appear on your videos in the right-hand corner of the video player. Once your channel looks good, it's time to upload your first video. Click the camera icon at the top, choose Upload Video, and follow the prompts. Make sure your title is clear and searchable, your thumbnail is eye-catching, and your description includes relevant keywords to help people find your video. Before you celebrate, don't skip this step. Go into YouTube Studio and set up your channel settings. This includes enabling comments, adding your channel tags, and customizing your About page. You can click here to find the channel's About page. The About page will have the channel's description, important external links and social media, email for inquiries, and channel stats like join date and total views. And there you have it. Your YouTube channel is officially live. Now it's time to start creating. Picking the right YouTube channel name is key to building your brand and attracting the right audience. Let's go over a simple guide on how to choose the perfect name and why it matters. Keep it simple and memorable. A short, catchy name is easier for people to remember and find. Avoid complicated or hard-to-spell words. Here's an example. Instead of Ultimate Fitness Guides Channel 123, try Fit Guide to make it easier to remember. A memorable name helps people find your channel and return, leading to more visits and subscribers. Reflect your content and niche. Pick a name that tells viewers exactly what your channel is about. If you're starting a fitness channel, use words like fit, health, or workout. A relevant name helps new viewers understand your focus quickly, improving click-through rates and retention. Make it unique and original. Research existing channels to avoid duplicating names. Try blending words or creating new ones for originality. A unique name helps your channel stand out, preventing confusion and building your personal brand. Consider future growth. Avoid names that are too narrow if you plan to expand your content. Here's an example. Instead of Daily Vegan Recipes, go with Plant-Based Living for broader appeal. An adaptable name lets your channel grow smoothly, keeping it relevant as you explore new topics. Check for availability. Make sure your name is available across YouTube, social media platforms, and as a domain. Consistent branding across platforms builds trust and makes your channel easy to find online. First impressions count. Your channel name is often the first thing potential subscribers see, so make it count. SEO benefits. A name rich in relevant keywords can improve your discoverability on YouTube and search engines. Brand building. A memorable, unique name helps establish your channel as a recognizable brand, encouraging viewer loyalty. Picking the perfect YouTube channel name is a crucial step in building your online presence. Focus on simplicity, relevance, uniqueness, scalability, and availability to create a name that attracts your audience and sets your channel up for long-term success. This tube-savvy video will explain how to identify your YouTube channel's niche in 5 simple steps. List your passions and interests. Think about what you love talking about or doing in your free time. Are you into fitness, cooking, tech, or maybe travel? Your niche should be something you're genuinely passionate about because you'll be creating a lot of content around it. Research the demand. Once you have a list of interests, check if there's an audience for them. Use YouTube search. Google Trends, or keyword tools to see how many people are searching for content related to your interests. High demand means there's potential for growth. Check the competition. Search for channels already in your potential niche. Look at their content, engagement, and subscriber count. If the competition is too high, consider narrowing down your focus to a sub-niche like vegan fitness instead of just fitness. Define your unique angle. Ask yourself, what makes my perspective different? Maybe it's your style, expertise, or the way you present information. This uniqueness will set your channel apart and attract a dedicated audience. Test and refine. Start posting content and pay attention to the feedback. See what gets the most views, likes, and comments. You might need to adjust your niche slightly based on what your audience responds to. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find your sweet spot. By following these steps, you'll not only find a niche that excites you, but also one that attracts viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Next up, I'll walk you through 5 easy steps to get to know your YouTube audience and boost your channel's success. Knowing your target audience is essential for creating content that people want to watch. When you understand who your viewers are, you can create videos that interest them, keep them coming back, and help your channel grow. Use this guide to understand your target audience. Number 1. Think about who you want to watch your videos. Imagine the age, interests, and hobbies of your ideal viewer. Consider why they would enjoy your videos and what they might find useful or entertaining about your videos. Number 2. Look at similar channels. Check out other channels that create similar content. See who their audience is by reading comments or following their social media. Number 3. Use YouTube Analytics. After posting some videos, use YouTube Analytics to learn about who's watching, including their age, gender, and location. Number 4. Ask your viewers. Engage with your viewers by using polls, comments, or social media to ask what they like and want to see more of. Their feedback is valuable for shaping future content. Number 5. Create content for your audience. Focus on making videos that you know your target audience will enjoy. Keep their interests and preferences in mind during content planning. By understanding your target audience, you can make videos that are more engaging and enjoyable, helping you build a loyal group of viewers who look forward to your content. To figure out what viewers want to watch on YouTube, start by checking your YouTube Analytics. Look at which videos get the most views, likes, and comments. That shows what your audience is interested in. Next, pay attention to trending topics in your niche by browsing popular channels and using tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy. You can also ask your audience directly through polls or community posts to see what they're excited about. When you create content that matches what viewers are looking for, you're more likely to get higher views, longer watch time, and more engagement like comments, shares, and subscribers. This boosts your channel's performance and helps YouTube recommend your videos to more people, growing your audience even faster. Your channel icon and banner are key elements of your YouTube branding. They create a professional first impression, convey your channel's purpose, and help build brand recognition. Here's why they matter and how to create them effectively. The channel icon is the small image that represents your channel across YouTube, including next to your videos and comments. Think of it as your profile picture or logo. The banner is the large image displayed at the top of your YouTube channel, often referred to as the channel art. It communicates your content focus, schedule, and brand personality. These visuals are the first things viewers see when they visit your channel. A polished design builds trust and interest. Consistent branding across your icon, banner, and thumbnails helps viewers remember and recognize your channel. A clear and attractive banner communicates your niche and upload schedule, encouraging viewers to subscribe. Professional branding can improve viewer retention and click-through rates, indirectly boosting your channel's performance in the YouTube algorithm. Strong visuals help you stand out in a competitive landscape. How to create a YouTube channel icon. Use your logo, a professional photo, or a symbol that reflects your content niche. For example, if your channel focuses on exercise, use a sleek design with a simple modern dumbbell, yoga pose silhouette, or a running figure. Design your icon at 800 by 800 pixels. It appears as a circle, so avoid putting important details in the corners. Use a consistent color palette that aligns with your banner and thumbnails. Avoid clutter. The design should look sharp and recognizable even when scaled down. How to create a YouTube channel banner. Design your banner at 2560 by 1440 pixels. To ensure it looks good on all devices, focus your content in the safe area, which is 1546 by 423 pixels. Include your channel name, tagline, or focus. For example, for my Tube Savvy channel banner, I use the tagline, "Discover the secrets of growing on YouTube." Encourage viewer engagement with phrases like, "Subscribe now for new videos every week," or "Join our community." Use the same fonts, colors, and themes as your icon and thumbnails for a cohesive look. Platforms like Canva, Adobe Express, or Photoshop offer templates for YouTube banners that save time and create professional, eye-catching designs tailored to your channel's needs. By creating a professional YouTube channel icon and banner, you establish credibility, attract your target audience, and set the stage for channel growth. Watch this next video for tips on choosing the best name for your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.